My name Ronald Major. My dog named Coco Major. And we have a prince on the side of us. And Prince, what's your name?
Ali.
Ali, look at the prince, please, on the camera. Coco, take your glasses off for the princess. Tell the prince to take his hat off for the princess first. Okay, he told me to tell you. Now take it off for the prince and the princess.
Oh.
Only in New Orleans, guys. Only in New Orleans. Thank you, guys.
I heard that you've been having some trouble finding your place in the world. I know how much that hurts, but if you need a friend, then please just say the word.
Ruh-roh. Get mother, get over here. I didn't know what that thing was doing. Your backpack. Oh my goodness, that's ugly. Tell me when that noise gets annoying.
When it started.
Make it stop. Baby, here's your duck. Oh, I was trying and you were hollering at me. Look. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Dead ducks. Why are they doing that?
Don't cry.
They're killing it.
Them black ones is eating them white ones.
What do we do? She's okay now. I don't know what they were doing. Maybe they were trying to have sex. I don't know.